Hi, very good evening, and I wish you a very happy 2021. How are you all? I'm Vijay Kalyan Jha, and I welcome you to Grade Up. Now, many people somehow believe that CLAT 2021 will get postponed because now your CBSE Class 12 board exams will start from May 9. All right, or rather May 4. Okay, please. Yesterday also I took a session and I requested you to assume that the board exams, of course, will start from May 4 and CLAT will also be held on May 9 itself. Okay, do not Google again and again to check whether CLAT 2021 has been postponed or not. But anyway, first of all, they started the application process as they had declared that they will be starting the application process on January 1. So they have already started the application process. I have already applied. Okay, and I will take you step by step through this application process. Here we are going to talk about the top 5 NLUs as well, total number of seats, chances of selection, and other things. Okay, so let's start from here. And let me tell you one thing, that your board examinations will start from 4th of May. That effectively is going to do good to you because board exams plus CLAT, you're going to get more time now, and I will prove it mathematically. All right, not in this session, but I will take one session in which I will prove that the board exams getting postponed by 2.5 months is actually going to do good to you. All right, because now effectively you're going to get at least 25 extra days. CLAT and board exams put together is a fact. All right, okay. Now 128 days are left for CLAT 2021. Exactly 128 days are left, and 121 days are left for ALET 2021. Is for the first time that you are going to face this entrance examinations even before, or a few of these entrance examinations, even before you face the first paper of your board. And how many days are left for CBSE Class 12 board exams? 123. Did anyone complain about this, by the way? That now you are going to get more time for this? Okay, it's all about time management. You don't have to worry about this. Please. Okay. And as I told you, do not Google again and again to check whether CLAT 2021 has been postponed or not. That is very unlikely. And in fact, if that happens, okay, that might even harm you. Okay. All right. Hi, Gausia, Afrin, very good evening. Nikunj 60, very good evening. Kunal Sharma. All right. Now, CLAT 2021 will be over before your board exams. Okay. Why don't you do one thing? Just treat it as the 6th or the 7th paper of your board. If you have only 5 papers in your board, okay, treat CLAT as the 6th paper. All right. If you have six papers already, treat it as the 7th paper. Effectively, you have more time. You have at least 25 more days. All right. Okay. The things which you require while applying for CLAT 2021. One is photograph, of course, a JPEG image, right? A signature, caste or BPL certificate. No class 12 document is needed at this stage at all. And there is one major change. This year, there is one major change in this application process, and I will tell you about that. Okay. All right. Of course, this is something which you are aware of, as they have declared that they will start the application process on January 1. They have already done that. Okay. And the process will end on 31st of March. Of course, examination is on 9th of May. It has not yet been postponed. Okay. Even the time is known. That is from 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. Okay. All right. Let me take you through the application process now. Right. And my image will disappear. Now, my image will disappear for some time. Okay, just keep watching. So first of all, when you go to the page, right, look here. First of all, this is the most important thing for you, register. Once you click on this register, this will open. Once you click on this register, this will open. You have to fill your name, be careful here, your mobile number, your email ID, and you have to give a password. Okay, you have to confirm the password and then push register. All right, once you push this register, all right, this is the first step. Mind you, do not straight away, do not put your mobile number here, do not try to put your password here. The first step is this, register. Once you click on this, this will open. All right, now ultimately the second step is this. This is your second step. They will ask you for the mobile number. Okay, the moment you give them your mobile number, you will get an OTP. All right, once you put the right OTP here, then you have to activate this account. The account is activated. The account is activated now. All right. Okay. Now, this page will open. This is the third page which will open. And of course, I'm sure all of you are undergraduate students. So this is what you have to click on. You have to click on the UG because you are undergraduate. You are applying for CLAT UG. Okay. And then you have to apply for, then you have to press this button. All right. Okay. What next? You will get this. So you upload your photograph. You upload your photograph here. You upload your signature here. Okay, put your name here, date of birth, mother's name, and all these marked questions are mandatory. All right, select nationality. I'm sure you all are Indians. Okay, because if you're not an Indian, you would not need to appear for CLAT. There is this NRI quota for you. Okay, select gender, father's name, everything. Once you have selected everything here, okay, you have to press this button, save as draft. Save as draft. And once you have saved it as draft, then you have to push this button for the next page. You have to push this button for the next page. All right. So you would have completed this part, mind you. All right. Now you are on communication details. They will ask you for your correspondence address. All right. Like I stay in Gautam Buddha Nagar, which is the district of Noida and Greater Noida. All right. Which is why you can see this here. And you furnish all the information, again save as draft, okay, and push the next button. All right, now this will open this qualifying examination detail. Now it will open this, the qualifying examination detail, right? And what is that qualifying examination detail? What is that qualifying examination detail? The qualifying examination detail is your class 12, okay, docs. So 10 plus 2 or its equivalent, like I was a science student, so I've opted for science. Okay, I had done it from Bihar Intermediate Education Council, Patna, and which is why I have put Bihar Education Intermediate Council. Once you have furnished all this, right, come to the next step. Okay, here when you upload your photograph, mind you, once you upload your photograph, mind you, here you have this button. If you take it to the, taking it to the left or right will adjust your photograph here. Okay, taking this particular button to left or right will adjust the photograph, will make it adjust here in this frame. Okay, do that and submit. All right, next. Now here on this page, on this particular page, they will expect you to furnish lots of details. Okay, everywhere they have given the information brochure of the respective NLU, but that would not be needed at all. Trust me, that would not be needed at all. Like here in case of National Law School, India University, Bangalore, if you are a Karnataka domicile, you will put a tick here. If you are not a Karnataka domicile, you would not put a tick here. All right. Similarly, in case of Nalsar, University of Law, Hyderabad, right? So, are you a resident of Telangana? So, kindly click on this drop-down menu, okay, and answer accordingly. All right. Similarly, in case of NLU Bhopal, if you are a J&K resident, okay, you will certainly click here. Otherwise, by default, whatever you have filled, that will stay. Look here, default selected reservation, general. All right. Again, you will submit form. Okay, you will come here. Then for each one of the NLUs, you have to do it very carefully. Are you a resident student of Telangana or whatever? Okay. So you have to finish this all. You have to finish this all one by one for each one of the NLUs. Like in case of CNLU Patna, you get lots of choices. Look here, you get lots of choices here. Okay, scheduled caste of Bihar, scheduled tribe of Bihar, extremely backward classes of Bihar, backward classes of Bihar. So kindly be careful here on these pages. All right, and do it very, very carefully. All right, once all this is over, right, then this particular page will come. You will get this page. All right, here you need to validate your email ID. Okay, you need to validate your email ID here. Please validate your email ID here. All right, and once you have validated your email ID here, okay, you will get an OTP. Okay, put the OTP here. All right, and then ultimately you would be asked to make the payment. If you do not want to get the previous year question papers, okay, this 4,000 would be sufficient for you. In certain categories, you may have to cough up only 3,500 rupees. Okay, do you want previous year question papers? If you want that, you will have to pay 500 rupees, and for 500 rupees, they are going to give you all CLAT questions right from the first edition of CLAT, which was in 2008, till CLAT 2020 paper. So you get 13 CLAT papers for 500 rupees. All right. So of course, confirm the payment. All right. And ultimately, once you have confirmed the payment, and let's say you have gone for the option of buying the question papers also, right? You will automatically be getting this particular option, download question paper. All right, you will download question paper, and it's over with that. And now you will get to see me back. Okay, any problem? Now you can ask your questions. Okay, you can put in your questions in the live chat. And I'm ready to answer each one of those. Okay, so preference of the NLUs has not to be given at this stage. Mind you, this is for the first time. That while applying for CLAT, you do not have to give the preference of NLUs. So do not worry about that. Right? You will have to give the preference of your NLUs. Okay, once CLAT 2021 results are out. Like, let's say you are the topper. Okay, what is the first preference? My first preference would be NLUs Bangalore. Okay. Probably my fifth preference would be NLU Jodhpur. What would be your fifth preference? You're getting my point. So earlier they used to expect you to fill this while applying for CLAT, but not this year. So don't you worry. Okay, we will anyway be taking many sessions on ranking of NLUs under this CLAT umbrella. So you will get complete guidance. Okay. All right. So let's look at the top 5 NLUs under the CLAT umbrella. Okay, let's look at the top 5 NLUs. Now Satyajit is asking NLU Odisha reservation for Odisha students. First of all, you just concentrate on your CLAT at this stage. We shall take a session on those things. All right, we are going to talk about the top 5 NLUs. Okay, let's start with NLSIU Bengaluru, of course, number 1. Total number of seats 120. For general category 93, for SC category 18, for ST categories 9. Till this point of time, there is no Karnataka domicile reservation. Okay, and some facts from CLAT 2020 as well. General category cutoff, the last person to get admission in general category had got AIR 98 at 92.75 marks. So 92.75 marks is the cutoff for general category. For SC Brethren's, AIR 1978, mark 71.75. So for SC category people, the cutoff for NLSIU Bangalore was 71.75. For ST category, rank wise, this was All India rank 3707. Okay, marks wise 64.50. NIRF 2020 ranking, which is done by Government of India of NLSIU Bangalore, of course, 1. Okay. It was the first NLU. It was established in the year 1986. Okay. And this is the only NLU which has a trimester system. So every year there are 3 terms. In every term you get 4 papers, and then there are 5 such years. So overall, how many papers you have to do in 5 years? 60. 3 into 4 into 5. That is the structure. All right. Okay. So that is the apex NLU for you, the top NLU for you. Let's come to Nalsar. So total number of seats in Nalsar 120. Okay, but all India seats only 96. General 86 seats. Okay, this is 86. But 11 seats in general category are reserved for the domicile of the Telangana state. Similarly, in SC category, there are 18 seats, but 4 seats are reserved for those people who are from Telangana state. Similarly, in ST category, there are 8 seats, but 1 seat is reserved for those people who are from Telangana state. OBC 8 seats, but all 8 are there for the students from Telangana state. So at all India level, there is no OBC reservation. At all India level, in fact, there is no OBC reservation in any of the top 5 NLUs. Please keep that in mind. One more very, very important thing here for NALSAR, that 30% horizontal reservation for women. So out of this 86, almost 25 seats will go to women candidates. At least 25 seats will go to women candidates. All right. Similarly, out of these 18, okay, out of these 18, 6 seats will go to women candidates. So in the entire batch, since the total number of seats is 120, there would be at least 36 women folk in the batch. All right. When it comes to the cutoff for general category, the last person to get admission had got All India rank 177 and marks 89.75. So this was the cutoff for general category. For SC, All India rank 2496, marks wise 69. For ST, All India rank 5992, 57.75. No OBC reservation at All India level. NIRF ranking, NIRF 2020 ranking 3. They put NLU Delhi at number 2. Okay. I'm more or less comfortable with that. Okay. All right. So let's move to NUJS. This, in our opinion, is NLU number 3. NLU number 3 under CLAT umbrella. All right. So here, number of seats 105, out of which only 67 are All India seat. In general category, there are 51 All India seats. Okay. And 22 seats are there for West Bengal domicile. Similarly, in SC, there are 18 seats, but 8 seats are there for West Bengal domicile. Okay, again for OBC brethren, 0 seats at All India level. Okay, when it comes to the cutoffs, general category, All India rank 227, 88.25. So 88.25 was the cutoff for general category. For SC category, 67 marks. For ST category, 55.50. NIRF ranking, NIRF 2020 ranking of WB-NUJS, 6. Alright, let's look at NLU Jodhpur now. NLU Jodhpur has a total of 104 seats. Okay. Luckily, no domicile reservation at NLU Jodhpur. Luckily, there is no domicile reservation at Jodhpur. And ultimately, if NLU Jodhpur has become a better ranked institute in comparison with NLU Bhopal, this probably is the only reason that there is no domicile reservation here. Okay. So total number of seats 104, general category 80, SC category 16, ST category 8, and CLAT 2020 cutoff. The last person to get admission in general category had got All India rank 323, 86 was the cutoff, as was rightly predicted by grade up, only grade up. Okay. SC category, the cutoff for NLU Jodhpur was 61.75 marks, 4536. Oh, 4 consecutive letters, 4 consecutive digits, but not in the order. Okay. Now for ST category, the rank was 9061 and mark 51.25. NIRF 2020 ranking of NLU Jodhpur 5. In fact, government, as per this particular ranking, had put NLU Jodhpur above WB-NUJS. But I do not agree with this. I will always prefer WB-NUJS over NLU Jodhpur, without any doubt. Right? Okay. No reservation for general category people. Alright. Why this question? Alright. NLU Bhopal. There is a typo here. This is NLU Bhopal. Okay. This is NLU Bhopal. Okay. This is NLU Bhopal. In NLU Bhopal, total number of seats 102, 51 for All India. And look, in general category, 52 seats, of which 26 are for All India and 26 are for Madhya Pradesh domicile. Similarly, in SC category, 16 seats, of which 8 are for Madhya Pradesh domicile. ST category, 20 seats, of which 10 for Madhya Pradesh domicile. When it comes to OBC, theoretically they had said that there would be 7 All India seat and 7 will be for Madhya Pradesh domicile. But in the merit list, we did not get to see this, which is why I have put a star mark here. All right, this is dubious. Okay, so take it with a pinch of salt. All right, when it comes to cutoffs for NLU Bhopal, for general category, this was 84, and the last person in general category had got rank 427. All right, similarly for SC category 4213, marks 62.75. For ST category 51.50. In fact, if you come to our app, we will do this analysis for each one of the 23 NLUs. Okay, so please do download our app right away. Okay, aren't you enjoying this session? Isn't it very informative? Then what has stopped you from liking it and sharing it with your friends? Share it with your friends, share it with your enemies as well. Sharing is caring. Okay, now NIRF 2020 ranking 17. You believe it? For NLU Bhopal, the NIRF 2020 ranking is 17. And you know what has contributed to this? Almost 50% seats are for Madhya Pradesh domicile. Okay, which is why probably such a poor ranking. And by the way, this was the second NLU to be established. It suffers in ranking, as I've rightly put, as it has almost 50% reservation for the Madhya Pradesh domiciles. Okay, that is the story of the top 5 NLUs. So overall, the total number of seats in general category in the top 5 NLUs under CLAT is only 325. Only 325 seats are there in the top 5 NLUs. All right, and the total number of all India seats in the top 5 NLUs under CLAT 438. And I've given the distribution as well. Okay, rank wise. Rank number 1, of course, NLSIU. Number 2 is Nalsar. Number 3 is WBNUJS. Number 4 is Jodhpur. And number 5 is Bhopal. In that particular order, I have given the breakup of these seats as well. If you look at the number of applicants for CLAT 2020, it's 53,226, which also means lot of hard work for you, lots of discipline for you. Less than 1% applicants got a seat. Okay, in the top 5 NLUs under CLAT, less than 1%. Less than 1%, you need to know. Okay, so less than 1 out of every 100 candidate got a seat in one of the top 5 NLUs under CLAT. Okay, you have 128 days. Please, please, please make them count. Okay, by the way, how can grade up help you? CLAT 2021. Mode of exam, pen and paper. Exam timing, 3 to 5, I've told you already. Okay, so how can grade up help you? CLAT 2021, a comprehensive course. What else you need? Best study plan to reach your dream NLU. Okay, this course is for those people who are in 12th class. Okay, a new batch has just been launched. What else you need? Why take this course? Expert guidance by NLU alumni, okay, and some other experts as well. Day-wise study plan, all topics covered through live classes and quizzes, the way I'm live to you right now. Hi, Kunal Sharma. There is no official notification released on the website. Why? About what, Kunal? Okay, I have already been able to apply for CLAT 2021. Okay, I've already been able to apply for CLAT 2021. So there is no question of no official notification being there. Kindly watch this video right from the beginning and daily quizzes to boost your speed and accuracy. Okay, study plan is flexible. Don't you worry, we will take care of your board exams. It does not mean that we are going to prepare you for your board exams as well. It only means that we shall keep your board exam schedule in our mind. All right, okay, any doubt? Okay, now this course includes what all? 150 plus live classes. Wow, 50 plus mocks for CLAT, ALET and other law exams, 3000 plus practice questions, topic quizzes and PDF for revision, full coverage of current affairs and legal reasoning. Wow, is there anything else which you need? Okay, and who are the teachers? Who are the faculty members who are going to teach you here in this particular course? Pranab Pant, aptitude exams expert. Isn't that? He had got all India rank 24 in Maharashtra CET 5-year BA LLB law entrance examination. Krishnandu Datta, not many people know his full name. He's famous as KD. And moreover, not many people know that KD is actually a lawyer. Okay, not many people know. People know him as an expert of English language. Okay, but he's basically by education is a lawyer. Okay, not to say that an expert of English language cannot be a lawyer. Okay, I rather believe that both the things are interrelated. Then you have Nivedita Raje as well. Okay, Nivedita Raje is legal reasoning expert with many years of experience behind her. And she's from Ram Manohar Lohia National Law University, Lucknow. Okay, I'm sure you're aware of Ram Manohar Lohia. Who was Ram Manohar Lohia, by the way? Okay, Sanojam Dasubanta, Sanojam DB. Okay, English language expert, 17 plus years of teaching experience. Shantanu Jha, GK and current affairs expert, I'm sure you know him. Shantanu, as I call him, Shantanu Dynamite Jha. He's so full of energy. He's from NLSIU Bangalore. All right, he had himself got all India rank 47 in CLAT. Okay, and since you're in class 12 and this session is for those people who are in class 12, okay, so or rather this course is for those people who are in class 12, I believe that if you go for this 6-month subscription of our Grade Up Super, all Grade Up courses are available in Grade Up Super. All right, so ideally you should go for this 6-month subscription for Grade Up Super. And what all are you going to get in Grade Up Super? Structured live courses, full syllabus coverage, complete doubt resolution, and expert faculty members. Performance and report card, of course. We are planning to send your performance and report card to your parents as well. Okay, comfortable? For any course related queries, please call at 96500-52904, or if you're unable to get through this number, which is in green, please call us at 93195-99244. Okay, on that note, I wish you and your family a very happy 2021 again. I'm Vijay Kalyan Jha. Okay, good night. Please prepare and prepare very well. Thank you.